Hey, what's going on, everyone? Guess what? Yeah, NIO is still weak. I'm going to talk about that today on this video. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin New. This is what I do. Today's the 23rd of January 2022. I want you all to be prepared for this. Yeah, I know you got a whole lot of NIO pumpers out there, a whole lot of moon boys that's trying to tell you that NIO is going to hit $100, that NIO is going to go to $60, that NIO is going to be one of the top 3 EV stocks ever in the history of the world, while price continues to go down. See, this is what I do. I'm not here to give you a whole lot of hope, a whole lot of FUD and FOMO, because I pay attention to what everyone else is doing with their own money. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, my price predictions, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. We want you to join the team. Yes, I'm going to show you from my perspective of what the market is trying to tell us, so that we won't be scared, so that you won't be afraid. You won't question and say, well, why did the stock go down? NIO had such a fantastic quarter. They're coming out with a new EV vehicle. They produce more EV cars than what the analysts anticipated. Why is the price going down? Because the market doesn't care about it. It doesn't care about that information. It cares about the money and where the money is flowing. Yes, let me show you this. I did a video in NIO all the way back on the 10th of January, playing the weakness. You guys can see it's right there. I don't hide anything from our community. As a matter of fact, if you guys want to get the latest information as to what I'm looking for these stocks to go, come to my playlist. Yes, I cover all my predictions. They are all here, not hiding anything from our community. I'm not going to take none of these videos down. Even the ones I get wrong, I'm going to keep them here because we can learn from them, so that we can become better predictors of these stocks. So yeah, come here to the playlist. All right. Now, I've been telling you all a long time, maybe probably about my last 3 NIO videos. I've been telling you that this gap hasn't been filled into the market in NIO. And a lot of people in the comment section was giving me a whole lot of heat, talking about that's crazy. The market's not going to come down there. It looked like it's trying to. Eventually, you all will come to a realization that you have to pay attention to the price. I'm not just speaking this into like I'm just guessing. The market is telling us every day that it trades that it's trying to go somewhere. You just got to follow it. So yeah, this is still applicable. This gap in NIO hasn't ever been filled. It hasn't been filled yet. So this is still on the table. And basically the last couple of weeks in trading into the market in NIO, we're still weak. That is why I titled the video that NIO is still weak. But you're going to get a whole lot of other people trying to persuade you to think that that's a good thing. You know, that price is going down, that they want you to come in and continue to buy these dips. They want you to dollar cost average. And I'm here telling you right now, the market is weak. Don't do it. Don't buy it yet, because the market is still going to dip. So take a look at this. One of the reasons why I'm still looking at the weakness into the market in NIO is off this 3-week price chart, right? Look at this. Now, the market tells us everything we need to know, right? You just have to believe what you see on the chart and not try to manipulate by adding technical indicators here to try to draw up your own story. You have to pay attention to what has already been thrown on the chart. And once you understand that, once you follow what the market is telling you, you actually begin to have a smile on your face, because you can see, anticipate what they're trying to do. See, I'm smiling because I understand this. I only pay attention to what everyone else is doing with their own money. So now, let me break this down to you. You guys can see that horizontal line on my chart, right? Yeah, that played a massive role as to what direction the price in NIO was going to go. Okay, every indication of support, every indication of restriction lets us know something. Now, let me go all the way back here, right? You guys can see here, these 3-weekly price bars back in March of last year, right? The market in NIO found the buyers right there. This was around $34. How do I know that? Because this market, even though these 3 weekly price bars right here showed us weakness, showed us selling, the buyers were willing to price at $34 in NIO. And then even on this 3-weekly price bar, the market still closed above that $34 horizontal line. That told us that the buyers were controlling the market then, right? And we saw the price go up, fantastic move. But then the price came back down back in September of last year, 2021, buyers still came in and propped up the price right there. Saw price go up, but it didn't go as high. Because the buyers, they ran out of gas. They saw the price back here in June, hit around $56, came down. We saw the bounce again at $34, which lets us know that the buyers are still in control, but they only had enough control to bring to $44. And then right here, this 3-weekly price bar, we finally broke that line. And not only that, the buyers tried to bring the price back up above it, and we still fell. And not only that, the market in NIO, even on this 3-weekly one, still hit its head at $34. That is weakness. I already know. And by us seeing this price close on a low of this 3-weekly price bar, right? By us seeing this, yeah, it lets me know that we still got some weakness to contend with. I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to show you this information. You might think that that's bullish, but overall, this is weakness from my standpoint. Look at this on the monthly. Look at this on the weekly, right? Yeah, we still got some weakness to come down towards. Now, let me hit this back over on the daily because we need to be prepared for this. So I'm already seeing around $26 at least. We can see this price in NIO come down. 26, then 24, and then fill in the gap. That's it. 26, 24, fill in the gap. That's where I'm at. I'm not here to convince you, but I still know from what the market is telling me that the weakness in NIO is still on this chart. So yeah, whoever you listen to on YouTube, whoever you follow on social media, mass media, mainstream media, they're not going to give you this information because they want to keep their views up. They want to continue to get that ad revenue because their pockets get fuller by giving you all the hope. Yeah. But don't worry about it because I'm going to come through later on as this market continue to dip in NIO and show you how they were wrong and how they've been misleading their subscribers into thinking that NIO is going to continue to go up in price. And you all can look at the chart. Do you think that this price is going to go up right now? Seriously. What trend do you think this market in NIO is on? Be careful of as to what you place into your mind because this price in NIO is obviously going down. I don't have to convince you of that. You can clearly see that from the chart's perspective. So now, this is why NIO is still weak. And this is why I am not going to change my price prediction right now. I'm going to continue to ride on with what I said on the 10th of January. It hasn't changed. If anything, it became more confirmed that this price in NIO is still weak. So now it's your turn though. Yeah, hit me up, right? I'm being public regarding to where I'm looking for the price to go. I want you all to be public too. Give me your price prediction, your price target in NIO as we go into the month of March. Yeah, where do you think the price is headed? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.